Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your garage controls to your Tesla Model 3. Now there are two ways to do it. You can either connect directly a remote like this directly to your car, so you can control the garage door from the car, or you connect the MyQ cloud-based account. The one we're gonna do, since the MyQ cloud-based account is you need a monthly subscription to do that. You're gonna click car controls, click on the little garage door icon there, and you're going to click on settings. So it says add a new home link, so you're going to say new home, press enter. You just want to do standard mode, set mode. Okay, before we begin, here's what you need. You need the remote control, which we have, and then you need to be parked close to the garage. So you're going to press start here. And now we're going to stand in front of the car and use this remote to connect to it. So we're standing in front of the car, we're going to hold this. So there you go, the remote connection is complete. You got to be really close to the hood of the car to enable this. Then we're going to press continue. And we're going to press the train button on the garage door itself. The training is complete. Let's continue. Homelink programmed, save. Right, and then you can do a bunch of features. You can do auto fold if you're parking inside the garage. You can open it from a certain distance, and you can clear it from the memory or delete it. So I'm going to close this now. You minimize it, and it says new home right there. So if I click on that, tap it, there you go. It is actually closing, by the way. And then if you want to open it, it's that easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.